ये यूपीएस है एपीसी के, बिल्कुल ऑन नहीं हो रहे। ये 10 ईयर ओल्ड पड़े हुए थे। चलते हैं, इसको चेक करते हैं ओपन करके क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है इसमें। बिल्कुल ऑन नहीं हो रहे, ये भी नहीं ऑन। चलते हैं, इसकी बैटरी चेंज करके देखते हैं। ओपन द यूपीएस। दिस इज साइड screw not have there. This is screw downside have. Open to downside screw. Have you screw this 1, 2, 3, 4 and open the. Now I open this. This is safety. There I have a cord for safety. Open again. This is the inside have batteries. The batteries 12 volt पे है बैटरी। This is big transformer 750 watt. This is a control. New this. Now remove the batteries. You open the upside the cord. Again downside see batteries. This is a positive and this is a negative. This here have batteries. Now I remove the cord. Inside you see, inside one fuse have. Now I remove this battery terminal. Again pull the new batteries. Remove this cap. Before you lock this, open lock. This side lock and this side lock, and downside you remove it. Mostly your front open. Again this remove the batteries. Front not open, not remove the batteries. जरूरी आपने पहले फ्रंट को ओपन करना है। फ्रंट को ओपन करेंगे तो ये ऑलरेडी ये हमारा कैप ऐसे ये हो जाएगा। ये शटर सा लगा हुआ है, इसको ओपन करेंगे तो ये हमारा बाहर आ जाएगा। यहाँ ऊपर ये 2 बैटरी लगी हुई है। अभी इसको मैंने शटर ओपन किया। ये हमारी बैटरी है, ये पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है, ये डबल बैटरी है 24 वोल्ट के ऊपर। नाउ रिमूव द बैटरीज। ऐसे रिमूव। Already this is using the fuse and make this one grips. You see air grips and battery together pulling and same grip bit. Mostly first check this the voltage batteries. How much voltage battery, old batteries. Remove the link. 4.9 volts. This 5 volts. You see, this is no good batteries, and replace these batteries. I new battery fix it. Now fix the new batteries. I check the voltage. This is a 12 volts. New batteries. Now we replace the new batteries. Already inside has male. See, this is a male. And pull this and replace this batteries. Push the new battery, the same this grip inside. And fix it and start again. I fix it to battery. Now I check the start the system, power on, not on. This is a battery problem. I start the new workshop. Now start I power on. Now this on. This is a battery problem. Now I charge. You see. Now starting this. Now this battery is small, one signal problem. This is a full. This is a, you see, 1 2 3. Now starting it. After check the output power. Now start it. This is battery problem only. Mostly you see two catcher. This is a two catcher. Before pull it two catcher. After you fix it. Now I started. Now I started outgoing 220 going. Now they start the line switch, server line switch. This is a battery problem. Now we solve this work and start this. Again starting battery charge and outgoing supply came. Now you see this is on.